on major issues. This is a small issue. And the abusive languages of others also are much more major than whatever has been coming out from it.
Bah Wankitbok Pochna Wadi State General Secretary ke Bharatiya Janata Party Hak Meghalaya Habakli Yakiba Dei Bat ke Jingthoh Jong Samla Mewaker Lingdo Pakma Badai President Jong ke BJP Youth Wing Latho Hak social media Hakabaya Dei Bat ke Jing Penlong ya ke Jingaki Dang Haki Benai Bladep Hanong Bat Dali Ula ong ba ka jingaki ka baca pelong nak kapuar tak batho balada kinu ke pelong jingaki kidai ban siat bade hau benai naitung.
Tensions about the way the administration worked, they have gone to the court. I think some matter is there. Let's not discuss about it. Let us discuss why the parliament is not functioning, because of the hypocrisy of the Congress party.
Let us also discuss what action you have taken about the youth leader who said shoot the protesters.
See, frankly speaking, I'm not aware of the entire situation, and I'm sure the party must have made certain stands at that point of time. I do not wish to talk more on that.
So since
Because I do not see, basically, I do not see.
When the person is here, you
Is
can ask
it
him
not
to be.
the irony that you don't know what has happened in Shillong and you know what has happened in Delhi?
See, what's there on personal accounts of people, I cannot go and monitor, right? So I am not aware, and I do not wish to speak anything, but I'm sure the party must have made a statement, so let's stick to that.
The person is already here. You can
Yeah,
request him.
I do not want to budge onto his personal stuff, so let's
Related person, it is a press conference. We are all here.
see. That's what only I do not know.
But just Mewaker, if you would like to say, since you have the meeting.
On major issues. This is a small issue. And the abusive languages of others also are much more major than whatever has been coming out from it.
this is a small issue.
See, even the other, see in a protest, even many people has made so many unwanted statements. So let's not go reading about what has happened. Let us look at what we can do now. Let the parliament function so that, the youths and the future of the country is secure.
It's just
Provided
about
we have a debate.
accountability, that's the only reason. However, how did the BJP react to the recent calling of Congress on the FCRA?
Let the parliament function, all this will come up. That is what we are requesting. Let the parliament function. Let's not speak on the street. Let all these issues which are concerning the people's life be debated thoroughly on the House of.
Just one last question. Since after you've seen whatever has happened, you're saying that it's on his personal account, whatever he's posted. Will the party going forth now ensure that nobody tends to post something that will ruin the party itself?
Yeah, naturally. Actually, as political leaders, we should be diligent enough of what we do in our day-to-day lives, and we request anybody who's holding important position to kindly monitor their personal account, because nowadays personal accounts can be hacked. Just the other day we got another complaint by one of our state vice president, again account was hacked. So these kind of issues.
For how many minutes the accounts gets hacked?
See, I cannot see. When
Or how
see,
many
a mobile
minutes-
gets compromised in any way.
Okay,
I cannot.
how many
Why no FIR was filed?
Huh?
Why no FIR was filed?
See, I don't know how do social media platforms work. I see that we have a medium of complaining to the platform. So I think so. That's
For how many seconds the accounts get hacked?
My account has not been hacked, and if my account is hacked, I take.
Why does that post get deleted?
That I don't see. I'm telling you,
How can sir
I'm not
BJP?
privy to anything what you're speaking. That has happened at a time when maybe I was not available. I'm not aware. I was more concentrating at the Jantan Mantar incident. So what has happened locally? So we are not aware.
So,
And I'm not there to follow anybody's.
BJP man.
See, we have so many members of the party. I don't have time to follow everybody's personal account, right? So let's keep this aside. Let's keep the chief important agenda now at the front. Our parliament has to function, and it has to function in the right way, in a pure democratic way. And we please, through your medium, we want to request to the Congress that do not just go to the streets. Allow the parliament to function and debate there. Our Home Minister, our Honorable Home Minister is willing to answer to all the questions, the queries that the Congress party has. So we request Rahul Gandhi ji to kindly please face our Honorable Home Minister in the floor of the House. Thank you so much.